Okay, this is my garage. It is not winter ready. It's definitely in the middle of summer. Wow, it is really dirty in here. But I have this now. We're gonna see how it works. It was on, we had like a Amazon coupon. It's a LED light, screws right in. It's going up right there where my main area of working is. So gonna just see what it can do to this room. So here is the reference. Okay, it's up there, and I reused it to replace this one single bulb, which has a 100 milliamp draw, 120 volts, 9.5 watts, 500K, or 5000K. I assume that's lumens or some millilumens. Anyway, going to turn off the shop lights and turn it on, and there's a few other lights in here. We'll see what they can do comparatively, so just a sec. Okay, this is the garage when the lights are off. Let's see what it'll do. Burst into flames. Let's see, here we go. Well, that's just nice. That's just nice. I hope that's it's definitely brighter than the lights around it. You can see that. I mean, that bulb there is comparable to this one. That's bright, let's say. There's my piles of junk. Oof, I don't even want to stare at that light. It's nice and bright. So yeah, 25 bucks was how much that cost me at Amazon. The wife has Prime, which did not help for the price, but it got here in 2 days. It was, I think, a $34 device, and they had like a clip this $10 coupon, and so I did. And you can see some other lights that probably wouldn't hurt to be swapped out, and apparently a squirrel nest. There's another light. So I'm gonna turn you to the left now, a ways. Quite a bit brighter. All right, let's go inside. I'll show you the box of what this thing is. So this here is the box. Claire's having pizza rolls for dinner after she ate some of her food. This is the item. It has to be in a vertical, because it screws in the way it does. It kind of has to be in like a vertical socket. Probably wouldn't work well like in that one where the sockets go this way and this way. It's deformable, which is neat, like the Batwing lights, but this is just the weird thing I got from Amazon. So yeah, that's what it is. Part number